meatball sliders.
They do look good.
Ooh, that looks good. Look at that.
How's your pizza, Kevin?
It is good. There's my pizza. I had 2 slices of it. Yeah.
Really?
Say hi.
Technically,
Say hi to all my fans. I don't really have that many fans. Yeah,
my
but
twin Chloe.
I have like a bit over 100 fans. Hey, Grandpa Jane, Grandpa Jane, Grandpa Jane, Grandpa Jane, you're on a video. Grandpa Dave. Say hi to all my fans.
Hi.
Wow, that's pretty exciting.
Yay! And I have my phone charging while taking the video. Here we. Oh jeez.
Too much cleavage. It's
Okay. Water. I'm gonna have a chug of that.
Why are you so loud?
That was good. Grandpa Dave looking over there.
I don't care. I'm just asking.